Hello, everyone. So, today we are diving deep into the vibrant world of spices and their incredible benefits for reducing inflammation in the body. Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta from Autoimmune Wellbeing Hub, and here we talk all about holistic lifestyle, about autoimmune conditions, inflammation, and mind body connection. If you are struggling in any one of these areas, join our community by taking the 5-day inflammation detox workshop. You can find the link in the description below. So let's begin exploring a few powerful anti inflammatory spices. The first three spices on the list are turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. So now let's talk about the most popular spice that's gained worldwide recognition for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric. Well, turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Whether you use it in this whole form or you use it as a powder, curcumin or turmeric finds its way into our lives through golden milk, through curries, through medicines, or even in face packs for skincare. Now, let's not forget the second important spice, which is ginger. Well, ginger has been used in India for centuries in tea when we make ginger tea. But other than that, it's also used for colds, coughs, and versatile ingredient in cooking. The third one that we have to talk about is black pepper. Well, adding a dash of black pepper, it not only enhances the absorption of curcumin, it also creates a synergy that forms flavor, that adds more flavor to the dish and also promotes overall wellness. So, after these three spices, let's explore the next trio of cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. Cinnamon, with its warm, comforting aroma, it not only adds depth to the meal but also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to lower inflammation. Cloves, known for its distinct flavor, contains compound that boosts anti-inflammation, and it also has antimicrobial benefits. And then there is cardamom, a spice that not only enhances the flavor of sweet dishes, but it also contains compound that helps to fight inflammation. A sprinkle here and there can do wonders to your dishes and to your overall health. You can use all of these as whole or you can ground them into powder and use them in different ways in all kind of dishes or teas and more. The last group of spices that I'm going to be talking about are basically seeds. These seeds are very popular, they're versatile and anti-inflammatory in nature. So I'm talking about fennel seeds, carrom seeds, fenugreek seeds, and coriander seeds. Whether you ground them and make them wonderful spices or use them whole in your teas, well, these seeds they promote wellness. Fennel seeds, they are known for its digestive property and it aids in soothing your digestion. The second one is carom seeds. It also prevents bloating and is used for in teas. A lot of it is used in teas. Fenugreek seeds and coriander seeds, they both have anti-inflammatory properties. Fenugreek seeds are in fact also used for lowering your blood sugar level. And there you have it, a flavorful journey through some of nature's potent healers. So remember that spices not only add spice to your meal, but it also has an anti-inflammatory property and should be used extensively in your meals. If you have found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share it with as many people as possible who do not know the benefits of spices. Until next time, Keep spicing up your life with joy and with healing. This is Pramila Gupta from Autoimmune Wellbeing Hub signing off. Thank you.